Okay, there you go. Hello everyone, this is Sniffles here. Today we're playing some Magic Freeze Tag with Nutty.
Hi!
What the fuck? and we have Flippy.
Why'd you leave me in the closet for almost 2 years? With no food or water.
And these two are my robotic children. On the outside he looks like a normal being.
We just put a furry suit on.
Yeah.
Oh my god, again, nerd alert, oh my gosh.
Alright, now start it.
Yes, I am a nerd, bookworm, I'm serious.
Let's start it, guys.
Woo! Let's go!
Okay, not me.
3 minutes.
Hey, who is it?
I heard Flippy.
It wasn't.
Watch out, it's Flippy!
Oh, it is.
I'll save you.
Oh! Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, you're kidding. Ah. Help me. Oh. Help. Help. Help me.
Shut the fuck up. Whoa.
Oh. Oh, that's not
Green!
good. Oh, I'm stuck! Ah! Oh, God damn it.
Well.
Well, my forward stick isn't forwarding. Help. Thanks, buddy. Why did you do this to me?
Go!
Oh, shit!
Oh my goodness.
Oh, go.
Go!
I'm coming, buddy.
Nowhere near me.
No!
What?
I need a hero!
Help me!
Nutty, run!
I gotta go the other way.
Aw, man.
Oh man.
I didn't think that might have happened.
Flippy, I'm sorry for calling you a gummy bear, I'm sorry.
I'm trying to see what outfits
Wrong one.
do I have
Sonic
still.
the Hedgehog,
Well,
did
do
you need a speaker?
do you not blame people? I mean, people call you a gummy bear.
No.
Spit it out.
Wait, what?
He ate a speaker, that's why music keeps coming from him.
Oh.
I hate that.
I can't baby.
I hate that so much.
Sniffles, what are you doing with your nose?
I don't know.
Me too, Sonic, me too.
Oh my god,
You.
I'm sweating.
Alright, who's it gonna be this time? Not a... Oh, pre-freeze. I saw a pre-freeze on the tip of my eyeballs.
Bro, it's Flippy again!
We know, we saw.
Oh my god.
We actually gotta be kind of careful. We actually gotta... Oh my god.
Stand still, he can't see me.
Dang it, I did not look, I did not
Oh my god. Stop screaming like that, buddy.
Stop screaming for help.
Okay. My stick is... I'm not too focused that time. I don't see really anybody around. Oh shit. Hey, wait! Aw. God damn it. Bowie. Help. Help.
Oh, do it!
Help. He did it.
So close.
Well, sometimes I like that. Just have a good view. Sonic, shut up! Shh.
It's all up to Nutty.
Yeah, we don't know where they are.
Go, go, go! Go!
Ow! Damn, I gotta get out of here. Ow! What? Aw.
I got you.
Help. I'm still kind of stuck. Are you kidding? I'm still frozen here. I'm still stuck. Help.
Shut up, nerd!
Hey, don't call me a nerd! I'm frozen again.
Yes, I am a nerd.
Oh, no, not again! Not again! Not again! Leave me alone! Aww.
No. Stupid.
Okay, we'll say.
Only someone could. Okay.
Why did you sound so out of breath, buddy? Don't scream! So there was a reason to scream. Okay. Let's see what we got over here, guys. I don't want to get touched. I'm still standing like a true survivor. And we don't know where the flip is.
Yeah, flipping scares me, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. Flipping scares
Say.
Brr.
You scared me. You scared me deeply. Jesus.
Sniffles, why did you thought it was a good idea to bring your invention to you?
Oh! Because we need actually, because like that, we need help. Never mind.
Buddy, I tried.
You know what? I'm getting out of my first suit. I'm getting out of my suit. I tired of this.
Oh, okay.
Got out of his freaking.
I can't see it. Hold on. Oh, there you go.
How can you not see his beautiful chrome form that you made?
Oh, we just need to put that on top so you look more innocent.
Why sending me a join request?
I'm doing something.
I'm kicking that guy in the wild. There you go.
Right?
Jesus. Who could be this time? Not again. Leave me alone. Oh, I juked him. Oh, ain't no way I juked him like that. Leave me alone. Wait, no, I was kidding. Are you kidding? Oh, it was perfect timing.
Oh my god.
I can't help you, buddy. Josh.
I'm stuck.
Sonic, please. Sonic, please. Sonic, please. Are you serious?
Dang it! Oh my.
Aw, man.
Man, Flippy, why are you getting Tiger so many
After
times?
you got it like 3
in a row.
times.
1, 2, 3. That's enough for not me.
That's enough for you, Flippy.
1, 2, 3. That's enough for the watermelon-y.
The
No.
watermelon. What?
Yeah.
Such a nerd. I
Sniffles, that
swear.
made no sense.
Actually,
Sniffles, that made no
I thought you were gonna be like, don't speak back to your father.
actually, I don't think you should be speaking back to me, to your father, buddy.
Yeah.
Bro, the nerd voice fits Sniffles too much. Well, I got it now. So, according to my calculations, I'm gonna be tagged. Oh, hello.
Fuck. Leave me alone. I didn't do anything.
Come here.
Oh my god.
Come back. Come back.
What the fuck? You were over there.
No, I wasn't. I'm still singing like a true survivor. Are you kidding? Oh, are you serious?
No! You are so gay. You know what? I'm posting a video.
Why?
You made me so angry. I'm going to do the one thing I know.
Come here. No, come here. Come here. Come back.
No.
I did it.
I can't do it right now, but as soon as I get off, I'm posting a video.
Post a video of what?
To show you how bad your lag is.
Oh.
Oh, these rounds end so quick, I swear. Oh my
I
god.
know, because people are really good at tag with this game.
Whoa.
Look at. It's gonna be okay, buddy. Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Oh.
real okay.
Oh, I really need to get out of here. Ivor. I crashed. Great. You kidding me? Dang, that was a terrible ass crash. Well, I gotta wait for these guys to play the game, and I'll be back. In the meantime, I'll be looking at my menu. Excuse me. The reason why, Metal Jackal and Onyx aren't HTF avatars, because they didn't really want to be, so we're just role-playing them as my robot children of some sort. That's the reason why. I can't get that song stuck out of my head, fuck. Hello.
How to do a football dive last second.
Football dive.
The football head.
I'm not the only person with a football head.
Wait, Sniffles, are you still recording?
Yes.
Basketball head.
Get a better router.
Well, I can't.
Minecraft.
Oh,
You're literally a scientist.
Well, that's just
and
the
you
deal
can't
of
even afford to
Spectrum.
have a router. Thanks, Spectrum.
I don't know. What the fuck? Huh? Okay.
Wow.
Listen, I got Tagger, but it kicked me out before I even got it. Let me rejoin.
You know what? Maybe some things are meant to happen.
I'm rejoining. What in the world was that? excuse me again. Let's try that again.
It's not that funny. You're funny, it's not that funny.
I really want to be the tagger so bad.
Aw, man, I was gonna get my chance of redemption.
Oh no.
Is it him?
It's the person I just said.
Uh-oh.
That portal goes nowhere!
For you, maybe.
No, I'm talking about different... What? What? Nutty, a little help?
Only a strong brain.
Oh, actually, I called those name at the nick of time. Come here, get us, get us.
I'll show me some glitches.
Wait, what?
I said Mr. Glitch is on, and there's a attacker.
I know, I tried to invite him, but he didn't join yet. Probably there was some of his other friends. I heard that immediately when he saw you running.
Yeah, should we buy glitch?
I tried, but he's not joining.
Oh.
Help me, help.
Are you kidding? Belt. Oh.
Stop it. It's rude.
Oh my god. He's on you right now.
Dad, help. Dad.
What do you want me to do? They're trying to tag you.
Shoot on the fountain. Shoot on the fountain.
Are you going for me? I gotta get out. Let's go. What? Are you kidding? Wait, what? He was nowhere.
Yeah, that's how I feel. That's how I feel, Sonic.
Bro, I swear.
Okay, listen, I tagged both of them for some... No, listen. I got a speed boost and I got y'all and I went the other way.
Oh. Dang, when I looked back, there was nobody there.
Yeah, that's how I feel with you, Sonic.
Well, that's just how the cookie crumbles.
Oh.
Save me. Go the other way, go the other way.
I can see where he's at on the map. He can't even do anything.
No, you don't.
Actually, you know what? Expedition. That's actually a good idea.
Ruh-roh, Raggy. Careful.
I got this. I know how to juke, and I got I got slowed down as soon as I said that.
Don't underestimate. Where's Slippy? Oh.
Underestimate?
I
Underestimate?
was still stuck on ice
Oh.
for the full game.
I said don't underestimate
Underestimate.
karma.
No, you said underrest. Underrest.
The ice block for
Yeah, I said underestimate.
Rest. You said
Am I ever gonna
underestimate.
get tagger so
Oh.
bad?
Is it
I'm
under...
gonna turn
Is it what?
It's underestimate. Est, not rest.
Oh, I said underestimate, not under...
You know, Jonathan, guess what? Jonathan, guess what? You're gonna get copyrighted.
That's not gonna get me copyrighted.
Are you sure?
You don't want to bet?
That's not even... How? I bet that's not even copyright.
It is.
It's from the movie.
It's the Grug's chase theme.
Oh. How's that copyright?
You see,
Oh, it's nutty.
It's owned by Universal Studios, mister.
Well, I ain't gonna get some copyright inflicts. Oh,
Oh, Sniffles!
leave me alone.
Sniffles!
Leave me alone.
Come here! Come here!
Leave me alone.
Come here, Sniffles! Come here!
No. No.
You're back here, you...
No.
Oh, freak.
Go away. Are you kidding me? I crashed again. Jesus, my Wi-Fi is terrible. Do I have to restart my game? Are you kidding? Oh, no. Yeah, my thing just timed out. Excuse me. Here we go, I am terribly crashing again. In the light of the day, you hit the hay, dark the night, when you hit the hay. That's the fucking Steven Universe. Like preparing for sharing, training, starting at his new bonding, battling, laughing, get crazy when he is calm. Soon, I'm the moment of destiny, under the alarm and hope. Put your hands up if you feel like having a good time. Put your hands up if you let me have some fun. I'll sing it. Oh, it feels so good to be alive. Like you go. Oh, it feels so good to be alive. Who wrote the rule that said about anything like feathers absolutely has to fly? Why must they fly? Some creatures have two wings that fly. Don't find they're up there in the sky. Try, they're not up there in the sky. Gravity, they don't defy, don't never see, you'll even try.
Solomon, you might as well stop recording. You're not getting any footage.
I'm gonna cut it out, that's why. What? You said one more round?
No, you said you're not gonna get any footage.
I know.
Rounds.
Like 2 or 3. Ooh. This is rather in an inconvenient sort of space. I saw you like a mile away.
Ew, furry.
Come back. Come back. Come back.
No,
Come back.
no.
Come back.
You're not even
Come
close
back.
to me. You're not close to me.
Come back.
You're
I
not
said
close
come
to
back.
me. You're not close to me. You were like at least
Come
a
back.
degree away.
Oh, there you go.
What the freak?
That's what I'm saying.
You were nowhere. You were nowhere.
I'm perfectly. Come here.
No, no, Sniffles,
Come back.
please.
Come back. Come here. I'm gonna get my revenge after I crashed.
Oh man.
Where's Flippy? Bro, where's this flip strat? Oh, there you are. Ah! Ah! There you go. Wait, what? Where the fuck? Where did this man go? Oh, hi. What the fuck?
What? Oh,
Dodge, please.
Nuh-uh.
stop.
I said, come back. Come back.
No, no, you're not gonna get me. You're not gonna get me.
Sam.
Dodge, weave, dodge. Fuck you.
Damn it. These guys. Ah, shit. Bro, how am I supposed to get these guys? Oh, there you are. Come back! Flippy, you motherfucker. Come back. Come back to Sniffs. Come back. Come back. Come back.
I don't wanna.
I said come back. No, come back. Come back, man. I just want to give you a hug, man. Come on. Come on, man. Come back. Mate, come back. Oh, god damn it. When did I? Oh, I didn't tag anybody. Come here.
Go.
Goo what?
I'm like Google's Matt, I swear.
Hi.
You mother.
I see you.
Dodge. What the fuck? You were in that corner.
Whoa. I saw his tail there for a minute. I knew it. Aw, man. Oh, it's just you three.
Oh my gosh, he's right behind us. He's right behind us.
Go.
Come back, you two.
No.
I'm gonna get one of y'all eventually. Come here. Oh, I got him.
Google Maps, help me. Ew, you're not Google Maps.
Where's he at? I'm missing him. They are. Come here. Let's go.
Oh,
Come on. God dang it.
The people watching this video, come here. The people watching this video, this dude has crappy internet. It's so crappy.
I'll probably put a clip up of when you're gonna send like the me how I'm tagging y'all.
I can't wait to post that video.
Can we just go somewhere else? I don't want to play this anymore.
Okay. We can we gotta spook them up now.
Yeah, spook him up.
Okay.
Alrighty. I haven't made a video in there.
Oh no, I'm getting on my PC. Oh no.
Where is the
Oh no, my pictures.
Getting on my
Control from the
PC.
world?
Why?
Oh, there it is. Found it.
I'll place it
I'm
down
sure
first.
he's getting on his PC.
No, I got it down first. Alright. Let's see what we got here. What time is it? It's 6:58. Oh, 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 it feels so good to be alive. Wanna feel good. Oh, it feels so good to be alive. Hey, we're all here. Hold up, I gotta invite Flips.
Are we doing another interview here, or?
Do you want to?
I mean, yeah, they're very fun to make.
Yeah, alright.
Are Drex and Strange gonna stay the same?
I think so. Who the hell did they go on my list?
I wonder why they're not. I wonder why they don't want to be HTF VR.
I don't know.
I mean, I thought Drex always used to love being Happy Tree Farm.
Yeah, maybe he just kind of grew out of that phase. If this Strange went to go get on this PC. Alright, he'll be back in a few. Alright.
Should we get Glitch over here this time?
I'm not sure if he'll join. Shit, my stick drift. Alright. I'm gonna start it. There we go. This is good stuff. Let's go. Oh man, I was gonna say for the next round we should have had the amount of rooms. Alright. Oh, it's Sonic. Alright. But we gotta be careful, mate. Alright, come on, Eddie. How are we gonna do this? Oh!
That was easy.
Alright, here we go. Here we go.
We're the Happy Tree Gang, we got this.
Oh gosh, this one's terrible. Which one are we gonna even step on?
I'm curious.
Right, middle, right, middle. No! Damn, dang it. Okay, let me get him. My screen's kind of laggy for some reason. Let's see what it says. Kill every last zone around without setting any traps. Setting off any traps. Huh? How is that an achievement? Escape as a lost soul unharmed 5 times. Mass murder. Speedrunner. Oh, that's what the achievement's kind of called. Yeet. Hold on, Nutty, you know how to enable manual settings, right?
What do you? I'm just trying to.
What the fuck? The game even started after like 2 candles!
Wait, what?
Bro, not even all the candles are lit. There's only 2 candles lit! Bro, what? Careful.
Well, I might respawn because I need to like do something.
Okay. Alright, let's see. Fill her up. Sonic, help. Don't do it. It's not worth it. You're trying to fix your mic, buddy?
My thing not working.
Bro. Okay. Oh, what the? Oh, you were waiting for me. That's bull, bro. Flippy waited on me. Yeah, he waited it on me. I was talking about how, like, turning this bottom setting on. Like over here. Like right there. like enable manual settings. Yeah. That's how I add the extra rooms. Instead of like going off the rooms by number of people. You can put the room generation count to like 12 or 13, I think.
This is happening. I did it.
There you go. Dang. Bro, Flippy, did you really wait on me, buddy? You did not need to wait on me, buddy.
I was waiting for the last person to do it, then I was gonna do it.
But why?
Hey, we got cuddles. Let's go. We got cuddles.
Where? Oh, hey,
Why
Cuddles.
is it? How is it inside of the negatives?
I don't know.
-1 right there.
I'll be right back.
Wait, you're gonna be right back? Oh my god, I'm lagging.
What?
That was a horrible lag spike. Anyways, how you doing, Cuddles?
Hello.
Hello. I don't want to be it. Fuck!
There it is.
Alright. Maybe with these suckers. Alright, come on, guys. Make it across. Make it across. He's have to wait for freaking in. Alright. Come on, buddy. Go! Somebody has to make it across.
He's telling us to go. Hold up. Give me a minute.
Go!
Fine, I'll go. Give me a minute.
I don't think it's working.
Give me like 2 seconds.
Flippy, do you feel
I don't think it's working, buddy. Oh, we got killed. Oh,
what the heck?
yeah, they guys waited too long. Yep. Bro, these guys really took too long. Wait, hold up. Wait, I'm confusion. Why is it the game ending? There's nobody here. What? Where the hell is everybody? I would say somebody ought to crash in these tunnels. And I don't see a thing. Yeah, I don't see nothing. I think somebody ought to crash in these damn tunnels because the game wasn't ending.
Give me that.
I still got the crown though.
Left here, bro. As I saw literally, bro, when everyone got teleported, I got left here. I'm like, I don't think that's right.
Yeah, because I think it might have still continued in the game. That's why the game wasn't ending. I don't know why. Oh wait, did Duddy crash?
Yeah, I didn't mean to crash. I should have given him a bit.
Retmo Raggy.
Oh no. I think we should wait a second.
Oh, there you go. Let me get him back real quick. Boy.
Ritual.
Alright, let's go.
Ritual sounds.
It's a goal.
Ritual sounds.
Then now.
Let's go.
Okay, let me get up.
I'm not gonna be this. No, I'm not gonna be this.
Dang.
I'm not gonna be you.
What do you mean because of me? I mean, I know how I work my way around it. It's working.
Oh, hello.
God, I gotta wait. Every time y'all come and I gotta force load y'all avatars. Alright, oh, it's Cuddles this time. Yeah. Okay, let's go. scared. Ah! What? Are you kidding? I have to force load so many freaking avatars. That's his. Can't believe that got me. Huh? Oh my god. Huh? What happened?
I don't know.
What is that?
Can I help you?
I don't know what you mean.
You sound like a whole ass 20-year-old.
Don't hurt me.
Sacrifice it. Sacrifice the hedgehog.
What the world? Why does that voice fit with the music? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, wait, of course. What the fuck? Oh, wait, no. Let me stop. Stop. I told him to stop. This one's gonna get real windy.
Yay! No, thank you, Sonic.
I got him. Are you kidding? I hate my lag. Well, I didn't want to be it anyway. What the hell? You've got to be kidding me. Can't bloody see. Oh my god. You kidding? And it ended the recording too, man. You serious? Oh, never mind. No, it is still recording. I'm a Dumbo. I thought that was the end. Never mind. Well, I gotta join back. Hold up. I gotta join right back. Surprised which still is recording right there. I'm not even sure if it's gonna take all of this. But pretty sure it's pretty much doing that right now. Boop. Hit with blue skidoo. We can't do. I'm back.
Why do you keep crashing? I swear.
Because my internet is
keep crashing every time.
I know, it's kind of bad, but it's still recorded after it kind of just closed me out of the game.
Like every day. Every day.
Well, I don't know. It's just like that.
I don't want to hear it. I hear it screaming. Yeah, cry.
For a second, I thought you was strange there for a second with the high-pitched voice, because I didn't have nameplates on.
Oh, really?
Kinda.
Wow.
I was kidding.
I
was kidding! More than anything, it should be like a compliment or something. Did it kill both of y'all?
Yes.
Dang. dying.
We got drowned
Who's the
instead of
spirit? Is it Flippy
which
or,
makes it sometimes worse.
Flippy's still alive.
Okay, so okay. Ugh. Jesus.
Take a look at the bear. The gummy bear.
Oh my god. Mr. Stein.
Don't look at me like that.
What?
Get out of my face, you.
I'm not even in your face.
I'll show you.
What?
Get out of my face. I'll fight you right now.
Fight.
Jesus.
Wait, Sniffles, I thought we were.
Yeah, I'm still recording. Yeah, I'm still going. Okay, finally I didn't want to be in.
My face. You.
Boing.
I got these guys. Watch this.
Boing. Oh!
Watch this. Watch this. Guys. Watch this. He said it was fine.
What can the idea be? Oh shit, no!
Oh.
Did you fell by accident?
What do you think?
It was hard to tell because I wasn't really paying attention. It's okay, child. Jeez. Well, come conquer life.
That's not how the cookie crumbles.
Well, both of y'all using the high voice changer. Yeah.
You're just an elephant.
Elephant. Alright.